Jai Telangana, Jai Bharat. Today, as we celebrate our Independence Day, to all my fellow Indians, I want to request you to take a pause. We need to think a little bit about how we gained our independence. What were the sacrifices behind the tricolor that we celebrate today? The fact that we enjoy the freedom has not come in a day or two. For more than 2 centuries, we had to suffer the colonial oppression of the British Empire. Our fellow Indians rose, fought time and again, failed multiple times, fought again, ultimately stood up to the British Empire and got our freedom. But the atrocities of the British Empire, the lives that were taken, the wealth that was drained out of our nation, the way the English language has still a greater hold and influence on our culture, none of these have been ever discussed properly. I believe very strongly Telangana Rakshana Sena, which works for the people of Telangana, which works for people of India, and we believe that our indigenous culture needs to be protected and promoted. We very strongly believe that our past had to be properly read into to build a very, very strong future. It has to be discussed in open. The atrocities committed by the colonial empire has to be discussed in open. Even in Britain today, none of the textbooks speak or condemn the atrocities or the violence conducted by the British Empire in all its colonies, especially in India. There were artificial famines created by the British Empire. Lakhs of people have died. While we were starving here, Empire was building and filling its coffers. While our people were killed in a very peaceful protest, starting from Jallianwala Bagh to multiple other incidents, none in the British Empire were taking our side. Yet, we rose, we fought, we got this freedom. Now India has grown so big, we are the largest democracy in the world. We are a big economic power today in the world, but not with pride and not with arrogance, but with utmost respect and humbleness we ask. British Empire needs to apologize to India. The monarch then was King George VI. Today the monarch is Charles III. And I want to directly ask, will you apologize to us? Why now? Why so late? Will be the question in many people's hearts. But the artificial borders drawn by the British Empire have left an open wound till date. It is an endless conflict that drives India and Pakistan, which once was one single nation. Who divided us? Who drew the artificial lines without asking for any consent from either side of the people? On this Independence Day, we should remember what we are as a nation today is not from a standalone point of view. The 200 years old British Empire has definitely left us a lot of scars. You stole for us from centuries. While we were starving, you were filling your coffers. You left us wounded after the freedom. Freedom did not fix everything. We are still fighting many, many open wounds. That is why today, King Charles III, we are demanding our reparations. You pay us back today. How do you pay us back? 1, with an open apology. 2, by correcting the facts in your British textbooks. 3, you return us back our artifacts that were stolen, including the Kohinoor. 4, start speaking the truth. Thank you. Jai Telangana, Jai Bharat.